In this video, we're going to be talking about finding outsourcers and how to go about creating a job posting on Upwork to find virtual assistants to really make your work really easy and just outsource everything. So first thing you're going to do is go over to upwork.com and sign up. You will be looking to hire a freelancer. Just choose that, and then you'll be taken to a job page, and this is going to be the page. So the first thing you're going to be choosing is a category. So go over to admin support and then choose personal virtual assistant, and then you're going to choose a name for your job posting. I'm going to give you a template for the whole thing so you can just copy and paste this. And first thing is going to be the title. So we're going to give this title: need virtual assistants for product fulfillment for our Shopify store. And then we're going to give a description. So this is going to be our description. We want to hire a couple of more people to add to our team to do product fulfillment for our Shopify store. And why I said couple here is because what this allows you to do is let multiple people apply for this job. Why? Because you want to test with at least 4 to 5 people and then choose the right person who you were comfortable with. You don't just want the first person who applies, or you really want to test with several people, and then just the rest is pretty straightforward. And then what type of project do you have? One-time project, ongoing project? I'm not sure. Ongoing project. And then how many freelancers do you need to hire for this job? I need to hire more than one freelancer. How many? Choose 5. Enter skills needed. Enter data entry, virtual assistant, Shopify, anything related to Shopify, templates, order fulfillment, order processing, sorry, my bad. Order processing, and that should be enough. And how would you like to pay? Pay by fixed price, around $250 per month. And you want someone who knows what they're doing, so choose this. And then freelancer preferences. Do you want freelancers to find and apply your job? Yeah. Freelancers using, of course, is to choose the first one. And then qualifications. Don't need any specific qualifications. Screening questions. Here are 2 screening questions that I like to use. Are you familiar with order fulfillment? And then add another question. Create from suggested or recent. Create my own question. And the second question is gonna be, are you willing to work extra hours if needed? And yes, require a cover letter, and then preview your posting, and you're gonna get this posting, and then just post a job. And when you post a job, the first thing you're gonna see is it's gonna ask you to verify the email. So just verify it, and then you'll see a lot of people on that page that already are qualified to take the job. So just invite them all and you'll be good to go. All right, that's how you hire outsourcers. And once you get people applying, just choose a bunch of them, 4 to 5 like I said, and test these people with the work and see which one is the best for you. And you will see the different rates that these people have, and they will generally be higher, but don't worry about that. It's really negotiable. And you really want to do this when you start making lots of sales, and you really want to outsource all of this. And you should consider hiring an outsourcer then. But if you're just getting started, you don't need to worry about this. So once you are at that point, make sure you watch this video again and apply accordingly.